I'm going to explain how to adjust the tension on your bobbin casing. You begin by taking the 2 screws that are in the back of the plate, just remove those screws and the plate comes right out, as does your bobbin case. There are 2 screws on the front of this, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the right holds the spring in, the tension spring in case you ever have to remove it. It's actually very simple and easy to put back in. And the one that's on the left is the one that you use to tighten the tension on your thread. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So you're going to turn it right, a quarter of a turn at a time, and that will adjust the tension that's on your thread. And while we're in here, there's a couple places that you need to oil that you may not be aware of. This area should be cleaned and put just a drop of oil in that hole, and also oil here and here, just a drop. And sometimes we talk about nesting and the spring that needs to be, make sure that you have it in place. It's this spring right here. It should not be on the top of this plate. If it is, it's going to cause nesting. It's not the only reason, but it will cause nesting, and it's a real easy fix. You just push it back into place. After you've adjusted the tension, you just drop your bobbin casing back in, make sure that it's seated where it's supposed to be, and put your plate back on. And then just put the 2 screws back in there. I hope